Force Energy is an all-female owned fuel service business, and we're proud of that. And I am blessed to have a couple of business partners that have as much knowledge as I do in this industry, so it's just worked great as a team.
Being female-owned is really important to us in our industry. It is predominantly a male-driven industry, and to have 3 women owners and succeeding in this industry, it's something we're really proud of. We do mighty things for being a smaller company, and the Thunder Creeks have helped us get there.
Our main area is definitely Houston because that's where we're based, but we are nationwide. We go everywhere.
We started everything with the Thunder Creeks, and they've been very beneficial because they help us grow into larger trucks. We do a lot of emergency services. We have sent them into hurricanes and storm-related activities, and they're essential for getting in and out of small spots that you can't get larger trucks into.
In our day-to-day operation, they are great. They're just accessible to so many places that you can't even get a bobtail in. And you have a lot more options. Not having to have your CDL is critical in our line of business, so that has made having Thunder Creeks even better. Some of these guys that don't want to have their certifications or get certified for hazmat, or maybe not being comfortable driving a bobtail or a transport, give them an F-250 and let them haul Thunder Creek, and they'll go all day long, and it's been great.
It's a vital part of Force Energy on a day-to-day basis because we do a lot of generator fueling, we do a lot of emergency fueling. These few we have are like 2.5 years old, I believe, and we've had very little maintenance problems with them. They pull safely, they track well, following you straight down the road. They're a very good unit.
I can pump off 200 to 300 gallons in 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm out of there and I'm going to my next spot, which allows us to hit many locations in a day. We have 3 Thunder Creeks. We're probably pumping about 2,000 gallons through each of them. We put them through their paces for sure.
Fuel and DEF they're in the same world, so you have to have both. Can't have a Thunder Creek without having the DEF on there.
About 80% of the generator business Force does requires DEF for each generator. So with the 100-gallon DEF tank, we're usually pumping off in a day. We usually go through about 100 gallons, anywhere from 75 to 100 gallons a day on these new tier engines with the DEF.
Thunder Creeks was a start for us, and we've done a little over 500,000 gallons through the Thunder Creeks thus far, and very minimal repair work. They've gone to hurricanes. They've done smaller jobs for us. They've been absolutely phenomenal for us.
We started with the 3 Thunder Creeks, and I would say that they paid for themselves within a month or so. ROI was fast. We were really happy about that.
The Thunder Creeks are awesome. I mean, talking to our ops guys, they're like, if we would have had these 20 years ago, things would have been so much different. We actually want to grow our fleet with Thunder Creeks at least 2 to 3 a year. So we have some big goals, but Thunder Creek's definitely going to be a big part of it.